Hello friends, welcome back to ITK channel. Today we are going to discuss about the mock text 3 for Blue Prism certification. Okay, so without wasting any time, we will start the mock text. Question number 1. Consider the page is configured as shown in the diagram below. There is one calculate stage and value is 500. So the number data item value has 500 as the initial value. The configuration of the calculation stage is 10,000 plus 100 plus value. So the result will be 10,000 plus 100 plus 500, 10,600. Yes, that is the correct answer. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Which option out of the following is not a wait stage condition? Check region. Yes. We can for HTML mode and Windows spy mode and automation anywhere spy mode we can use a wait stage, but for region mode we cannot give intelligent wait stage. So it is a correct answer. This is not a wait stage condition. So we'll move on to the next question. So here an action titled application login throws the following exception. Exception is input user credentials on page login unable to match any windows with the query terms. Okay, in the login page input user credentials stage has been failed, so something the element used in the input user credential page is not been found in the application. So the result answer will be the element used in the input user credential stage was not found in the application. Yes, that is the correct answer. We'll move on to the next question. So here what is happening? The logic defined in the code of a robot shown below. What are the following? Which of the following statement is correct? Here what is happening when the first time the exception is thrown by add exception stage, it will be captured in the add recovery, and then it will go to the add one, and then again it will throw an exception. This time this recovery cannot get the new exception because it's having already one exception. There is no resume stage is available, so it is not dissolved by resume stage, so the exception will be thrown by this add recovery stage. There is no common recover option is available, so the application will get terminated. The robot ends up terminated with the cause defined in the exception block. Yes. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. During the process design flow, it is mandatory to send control S. Okay, control S using Windows key events. Okay, we need to send control S. So if we see control send key events, yeah, we are pressing control and then yes, and then we are releasing the control. So this is the correct one. In global send key events, this is not the correct one. Global send key events, there will be different syntaxes will be available. So syntax will be for control. The power symbol should be used. So we will move on to the next question. Question number 6. So which of the following stages present in both Object Studio and Process Studio? So the action stage will be will be available in both the Process Studio and Object Studio. You can see it in the answer. Option A will be the correct answer. Okay. So question number 7. Okay, let's see. From the below configuration, which two configurations in calculation stage will convert the string into the date? Okay, this will not convert, this will get failed. This will convert because it is normally we use. and this is also cannot find uh, any separator, so this will also get failed, and this will pass because this is also normally we will use. So B and D will be the correct answer. B and D will be the correct answer. Yeah, that is correct. We will move on to the next question. The action get details is below. Okay, open application, read details. Okay, open application as no page is defined. So in open application there is no stage is defined, so the exception will be thrown automatically. Open application, yes. So next question will be, the Blue Prism is used for to develop software robots which replicate human user actions. Yeah, that is also the correct answer. We'll move on to the next question. Question number 10. The developer need to store sensitive data in the work queue. In this context, which one is true from the following options below? Developer should encrypt the key field to the queue with the credential key. Yes, we have to encrypt the field in the work queue. In that way, we can store sensitive data in the work queue. Okay, we will move on to the next question. Question number 11. Which of the below statements are not true about our queue? If get next item fails to get an item, it means there are no unworked items in the queue. This is not true. Okay, because if you get net, if we give the differ item option, then the work queue item will be freezed temporarily for the given time. So if the get next item fails, there may be some items which is deferred already. So this item, this A will be not true. An item is referred to by its unique Blue Prism ID. Yes, it is true. A queue can be temporarily deactivated and reactivated. This is not true. We cannot deactivate and reactivate a queue. Oh, sorry. A queue can be temporarily deactivated and reactivated. Yes, we can pause the queue using the option in control room. Yes, a queue can be set up to enable multiple attempts on an item with a limited number of attempts. A queue can be set up to enable multiple attempts on an item with a limited number of attempts. No, this is not the correct one. So A and D will be the correct answers. Move on to the next question. What will happen to queue item when you stop the process by selecting the process session and clicking stop selected session? Okay, what will happen to the queue item currently being processed when you stop the process by selecting the process session and clicking stop selected session? The queue item will be marked as exception. Yes, the queue item currently being worked will not be completed, and the Blue Prism will mark it an exception. Yes, that is the correct answer. Move on to the next question. Which of the following stages are executed when the flow is in recovery mode? So here, what is the recovery mode? Here it is a exception block. This is the exception block. It is throwing an exception. It is going into recovery mode, recover stage. So from here it is starting recovery mode. So B and C will be running in the recovery mode. After that it will be resumed. So the D will be running in the normal mode only. So B and C will be running in the recovery mode. Yes, correct. B and C will be running in the recovery mode. So we'll move on to the next question. In which area of Blue Prism will you monitor the log? Yeah, log can be viewed in only in control room. Okay, we can move on to the next question. Question number 15. Which of the following exception type is not recommended by Blue Prism? Yes, system exception, validation exception, system exception, try once. These are all supported by recommended by Blue Prism, but attach exception is not recommended by Blue Prism. Move on to the next question. Question number 16. When should you consider your exception handling strategy? So, in the design phase itself, we have to consider, not in the testing phase, not in the production. In the design phase itself, we have to ensure all the exception has been handled. So, we'll move on to the next question. Question number 17. So, study the image above of how a process has been orchestrated using a business object, process page references, and a main page. Upon running the process, an exception has occurred in business object page C. So here the exception is occurring, then it will go into the process page 2 and then process page 1 and then main process, main page of a process. So it is called bubbling of an exception. The exception is actually happening here and then it is bubbled to process page 2 and then it is bubbled to page 1. This is called exception bubbling. That is the answer. Here the bubbling will be the correct answer. So we will move on to the next question. Blue Prism will stop searching once an element has been found instead of continuing to search for potential duplicates. So which is the appropriate attribute that causes the statement true? Here you can see match reverse. When you do the match index and match reverse, it will stop when the element has been found. So ordinal will be, this is the attribute given by the application, so it is directly go into the element. So in this case the question will not be applicable, but for match reverse and match index attributes, that it will be the question will be suitable, because uh, when you try to match indexes, when the exact element has been found, it will be stop searching, and match in reverse also, when the exact element has been found, it will stop searching. So A and C is the correct, A and C are the correct answer. So question number 90. In this diagram, no element dropped in navigate one properties. So if the flow is executed, what will be the output? Here no element in the navigate stage, but there is a recover stage is available. So the exception has been captured by recover and resumed and then go to the end. So the process will be, execution will be completed successfully. Yeah, will be completed without throwing an exception. So we will move on to the next question. Okay, what are the below options are not attributes of an element in application modeler? Okay, if you see match index and match reverse, these are all not the attributes of an element. Screen bound and ancestor count will be the attributes of the element, but match index and match reverse are not the attributes of that element. So A and C is the correct answer. Why? Because match index and match reverse are the control items of an Blue Prism. Blue Prism control attributes, because when it will search for the element with the match index and match reverse. It will search by indexes one by one, and if it is not found, it will match reversely. So it is not the exact attributes from the element. So A and C are the correct answer. Okay. We will close this session as of this question, and we will continue in the next session for the other 20 questions, and our final session will be that one. Okay guys, thank you. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comments. I will try to address as early as possible. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.